Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Excuse the nails, they're a mess, I know. But today I've got a quick friend mail from Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. I've had these two little packages for a little while now, but I'm sorry Vicky for the delay, but I'm here now and yeah, let's have a look and see what's in these. Okay, so we've got one card here. It's a really beautiful card. It says thank you. I really like that. That's hell of a pretty. And inside of it we've got what looks like little stickers and decals. It says, hey sweetie, here's some extras for you. Love, Shat and Vicky and Andy. Love that. I do love a good card. Okay, then she sent me some of these beautiful decals. So we've got these gorgeous butterflies. I really like them. They're so pretty. We've got these black ones. I really like them as well. If they're transparent, they're going to look really good on a nail. Love them. We've got some of these foily ones. I'll have to give them a go. I always find these sort of stickers really fiddly and they're a complete pain in the ass, but they do look really cool. We got these red sort of iridescent ones. Like, look at the colour change on that. Beautiful. Ooh, I love them. They're lush, they are. Yeah, I really like them. They're very pretty. Totally me, I love my rainbow. We've got some yellow iridescent, we've got large ones. And then we've got smaller ones which I know are not really showing up on camera, but it's kind of hard with them. I've got some She Modern ones. These are really pretty. I don't actually have these. I have quite a lot of the She Modern decals now, but I don't have these ones. They're really cool. I like these sort of line stripe ones because you can just do so much of them. They're so versatile and yeah, awesome. I really like them. Thank you, Vicky. And we've got a little bit of foil. That's really cool. Where's this one from Vicky? Is it one of Charlie's? I don't remember seeing this one. I'll have to try and use that before Halloween's up. I'm sort of trying to do as many Halloween designs as I can this year. But time's running out. Yeah, they're awesome. Thank you very much, Vicky. I will definitely be making good use out of everything there. She has also sent me a load more of these wipes. I really like these. Well, I've still not used these ones yet. I had some of the Model Ones and I really liked them and found them incredibly useful. So yeah, thank you, Vicky. I absolutely love having these wipes to hand. They are just so helpful. She has sent me one of these, which I think is for pushing your cuticles back. But you can also use it for like rubbing foils on. And yeah, they're incredibly useful. That's the cute little diddy one. Thank you, Vicky. And then we've got a cuticle pen. So Vicky's actually working on selling some of these, I believe. She's been looking into getting fragrances and stuff for them. And yeah, I think it'd be a very good thing to be doing. I really do like this. I'm really awful at giving myself some cuticle oil, but I do really like that. And yeah, I believe she's already picked up some fragrance oils for them. She's got some really unique like scents for them. And yeah, if you're looking into buying one from her, pop her a message. I don't know what the details are, how much she's selling them for, or whether she's even selling them yet, or whether it's just a work in progress. I'm not too sure, but if you're interested, definitely pop her a message. And then she's also sent me an acrylic brush. I have actually just tested this and I really like it. Size 12 Klink Ski one. Really good, and it's got a nice wooden handle in it and this gorgeous sort of red. Really good brush, really easy to work with, good quality, and I really like it. And I think she might be looking into selling these as well. So again, pop her a message if you're interested. It's a really nice brush and I'm very happy with this one. So yeah, highly recommend them. Definitely message Vicky if you're looking for a new acrylic brush. This is my first size 12. I'm used to having a size 10. But yeah, it's my first size 12 and I'm really happy. I think this will be my new permanent acrylic brush. So yeah, thank you very much, Vicky. I really do like it. Okay, and then we've got another package. And Vicky, I could kick you for this, but she has put in all these little balls. And I've actually had this package sat here for a little while now. I think she sent it to me about a week after my birthday. And I've been meaning to film for quite a while now. And I've sort of left this stood up on the side ready to sort of film, but I keep accidentally knocking it and all these little balls keep going everywhere. They've been driving me insane. Okay, so here's a little note that comes with it. It says, hey Sammy J, Here's those extra bits, okay? The mirror you can use for whatever you want, but I was thinking putting it into resin. Totally up to you, hun. Lots of love, Vicky, Andy and kids. So this is the mirror. Just wrapped it up all safe and sound in the tissue paper. I'm sorry for the reflection, it's the best I can do. It's just a circular mirror, but it's really pretty. And yeah, I reckon putting it in resin could be a cool idea. And it's just got the little feet on it too. Are they sticky? No, just non-slip. But yeah. Oh, it's for candles. You meant to put a candle on top of it. That's a cool idea. Well, I won't be doing that. I don't tend to burn many candles. I tend to use my wax melt burner quite a bit with tea lights, but I always have that up on a high shelf away from the kids and everything. I don't really use pillar candles nothing much, but yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, I wonder how it would work in resin. Whether it'd still work well. I don't see why not. Yeah, interesting. Thank you very much, Vicky. I only just noticed that. But no, I've been wanting one of these. Who was it? Somebody's video that I watched. Could it be Sassy? Sassy Fantasy Reviews? Or I can't remember the name of her channel. I just know her as Sassy. But it might be Sassy that had one of these. I don't know. I watch so many of the nail girls now. But somebody had these toothpaste squeezers. And they were using them for polygel. And I commented and said like, that's a fantastic idea. And the next thing you know, Vicky's sent me one. I've never actually seen them before. But yeah, no, because obviously polygel, like, it is like a toothpaste tube and it can be quite hard to get those last bits out. This is a fantastic idea, and yeah, it's going to come in so useful, so I'm not wasting as much polygel because I'm struggling to get it out and just end up chucking it in the bin. This will help me get every last bit out, so yeah, thank you very much, Vicky. That's definitely going to come in extremely helpful. So yeah, that is absolutely everything today. I know it's a short video. I tried to keep it short and sweet. I do apologise to Vicky for taking so long to film this video, but I've finally done it. But yeah, thank you very much, Vicky. I love absolutely everything. The cuticle oil and the brush are absolutely bang on. And yeah, definitely think you should be selling them. They are really good. I love all the other little bits as well. Those decals and that are beautiful. And yeah, toothpaste squeezer, absolutely bang on. That little mirror is awesome. I love it all. So thank you very, very, very much. But anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please go over to Vicky's channel and subscribe to her. Also subscribe to me if you haven't already. And yeah, much love everybody. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Much love to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.